Hi, good morning. This is Srikant. Today I will explain about ERR DAX function in Power BI Desktop. Okay. First, data and see this here. This is my year data. And click new column. Next, type here ERR. See this here ERR. Once you read this ERR function, returns the year fraction representing the number whole number days between start date and end date. Okay. And next to start date, now I am applying date function. My date function first I am adding new year 2013 comma months first month comma first day. Okay, now I am closing my start date. Next I am typing end date. Okay, my end date I am starting date function and next to apply end date 2013 comma 5th month comma 1 first day, close this parenthesis. See this ERRC is a function name, date is a date function name. Okay, see this is a starting date and this is a date function and this is a date, this is a end date. Okay, let's check this function in Power BI Desktop. See this here, it's automatically showing 0.33. This is ERRC DAX function in Power BI Desktop.